Bem-vindos a todos. Welcome everybody. Congratulations. Now you already learned your first word in Portuguese, that is bem-vindo, which means welcome. If somebody comes to our house, we welcome them first. So, to welcome you all, I said bem-vindos a todos. Welcome to the Portuguese language learning journey. We are now learning 100 must-know words in Portuguese. This video is part 1 and contains 50 words, or even you can say 50 phrases or dialogues or even sentences. These are the essential startup of our learning journey. This is the practice video where you will learn and practice every single word with me. This video is for absolute beginners. Before we start, let me tell you how to get the best out of this video. Remember, language is not only a translation, but also a culture. A good practice from the beginning is worth a lot. How do you practice along with this video? Let me tell you some points. The first point, do not force yourself to memorize the words or phrases. What I mean is, just read and have fun. In a 10-minute video, you can only learn some of the phrases. Enjoy the video and let your memory memorize the phrases itself. No matter if you only memorize a couple of words or even just a word. Come again and practice, then you will automatically memorize some more words. Have a fun and learn. Point number 2. In this video, you will listen to the first word in English. My 8-year-old daughter, Ivana, helped me with that. And then I will speak in Portuguese. Then you will see your turn on the screen and try to speak yourself on your turn. Point number 3. Whenever you wish to practice it more, pause the video and do it. And last and most, be happy with your pronunciation. Like me, you also may not have the exact pronunciation as the native speakers have. What we do is try our best to pronounce it correctly. So let's start.
Welcome.
Bem-vindo. Bem-vindo.
Hello.
Olá. Olá.
Hi.
Oi. Oi.
Good morning.
Bom dia. Bom dia.
Good afternoon.
Boa tarde. Boa tarde.
Good evening.
Boa noite. Boa noite.
Good night.
Boa noite. Boa noite. For good evening and good night, we use the same word, boa noite, from evening until we go to bed.
How are you?
Como estás? Como estás?
How are you?
Como está? Como está? We can use como está or como estás to say how are you. In Portuguese, we have two different ways to say you, that is tu and você. For now, just remember this. Don't think much more about that.
I'm fine. Thanks.
Estou bem, obrigado. Estou bem, obrigado.
I'm fine. Thanks.
Estou bem, obrigada. Estou bem, obrigada. In Portuguese, we have two ways to say thank you. If you are a male, you say obrigado. And if you are a female, you say obrigada.
All is good.
Tudo bem or tudo bom? Tudo bem? Tudo bom?
How is it going?
Como vai? Como vai?
Not much. More or less.
Mais ou menos? Mais ou menos.
Are you good?
Estás boa? Estás boa?
Is everything good?
Tem passado bem? Tem passado bem?
It's going on.
Andando. Andando.
Thank you. Thanks.
Obrigado. Obrigado.
Thank you. Thanks.
Obrigada. Obrigada.
Goodbye.
Adeus. Adeus.
Bye.
Tchau. Tchau.
See you later.
Até depois. Até depois.
See you soon.
Até logo. Até logo.
See you very soon.
Até breve. Até breve.
See you more.
Até mais. Até mais.
See you tomorrow.
Até amanhã. Até amanhã. In Portuguese, H is normally silent. So, até amanhã. Not até amanhã.
See you next time.
Até a próxima. Até a próxima.
Take care.
Cuide-se. Cuide-se.
Have a nice day.
Tenha bom dia. Tenha bom dia.
Have a good night.
Tenha uma boa noite. Tenha uma boa noite.
Hugs.
Abraço. Abraço.
Little kiss. Little kissies.
Beijinhos. Beijinhos.
Excuse me.
Com licença. Com licença.
Sorry.
Desculpe. Desculpe.
I am sorry.
Desculpe-me. Desculpe-me.
Pardon.
Perdão. Perdão.
Forgive me.
Perdoa-me. Perdoa-me.
Please.
Por favor. Por favor.
Cheers.
Saúde. Saúde.
Cheers.
Chin, chin. Chin, chin.
Dear. Darling.
Querido. Querida. Querido. Querida.
Yes.
Sim. Sim.
No.
Não. Não.
Maybe.
Talvez. Talvez.
Help.
Ajuda. Ajuda.
I'm lost.
Estou perdido. Estou perdido.
Man.
Homem. Homem.
Woman.
Mulher. Mulher.
What is your name?
Qual é o seu nome? Qual é o seu nome?
My name is.
O meu nome é. O meu nome é Nick. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Want more videos like this? Turn on notifications.